Good morning, Maddie. Did you sleep good? Yeah. Really? Uh-oh. Did you have any good dreams? Yeah. Are you ready to go see Miss Diane? Yeah. You think it's going to be a good day? What do you think? What do you think? Really? Yeah, I agree with you. You want to say your ABCs? A, B, C, D, E. Uh-oh. You got the hiccups? A little bit? Say, I love you, Daddy. Say bye, Daddy. I love you. Say bye, Daddy. I love you.